If managing various passwords is a difficult task for you, and if you don't remember the password to log into income tax portal to file your current year's income tax return, well, there is a second option for you to file it. And with this option, you might not even have to remember another password to file your income tax returns or to log into your income tax portal. What is this and how you can activate it, we will be discussing in today's episode of the Sonia Davar Show. So without further ado, let's begin. Hey there, I'm Sonia Davar, Chartered Accountant and Business Finance Coach, and on this channel we share with you all the tips, tools and resources that you need to start and grow your profitable business, save lakhs of rupees on taxes and build your own wealth. In today's episode of the Sonia Davar Show, we will show you that there are multiple options for you to log into income tax portal. If you don't want to remember the income tax password every time that you log into income tax portal, well, there is a second option available for you now to log into the new income tax portal, and that option is to log in using Aadhaar OTP. For this, you must have already linked your PAN card with Aadhaar card, and second, your Aadhaar card should have the correct mobile number that you use always, and the OTPs should come at your mobile number whenever you send a request from the income tax portal to send an OTP. If that is sorted, then you can make use of this facility, and in today's episode we will show you how to generate that and how to activate it at the income tax new portal. So without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. In order to activate your Aadhaar OTP for login into income tax new portal, you need to go to Google and type the new income tax portal address, that is incometax.gov.in. Once you come at the website, you need to click on login on the top right corner of this website. Now for this login, you need to use your old PAN card and the password that you have kept. But once we set it up rightly, after this time, you can log into this website using your Aadhaar OTP, and you don't really need to remember your password for income tax portal. But to set it up, you will need to have the password to log in to your income tax profile, and the password is the same which you used to use to log in the old income tax portal. So I'm going ahead and typing my PAN card, and I will click on continue after that. Once I clicked on continue, then it will ask me to confirm the secure message and ask me to update the password. After you update your password, click on continue. Then it will take you to welcome to e-filing portal, and it will ask you if you want to update your profile. Click on update profile. Now on the left side of the screen, it will give you various options to change the settings in your profile. One of the options on the left hand side of the menu, you will get Aadhaar OTP login. You need to click on this Aadhaar OTP login. Here, if you see, do you want to enable your login through Aadhaar OTP for single factor authentication? Here, by default, it is selected as no, and that's why we don't get the option at the time of login to login using Aadhaar OTP, and we need to change it to yes if we want this facility. So in order to change it, we need to click on edit and then click on yes and then save it. After you save it, it will send an OTP on your message which is linked with the Aadhaar. So you need the mobile also handy with you when you are doing this change in the income tax portal. Once you update the OTP which comes on your mobile phone, I click on I agree to validate the Aadhaar details with UIDAI, and then I will click on continue. And now as you see, the option which has been selected as yes. If you want to see how it will appear at the time of login, let's log out from the portal and we will try and log in again. So let's log in again. Enter your PAN number, which is your user ID. And now, as you can see, you also have this option available that will ask you to select the OTP. So if I just select, first I need to select the secure message, and if I click on OTP option and I will press on continue, again it will ask me of login using OTP, and OTP will come on my mobile phone immediately. I need to update this OTP to log in to this portal. Enter the OTP which you just received, and now we are able to log in using Aadhaar OTP. So this is very simple and you don't really need to remember your password. If typically you have given your password to your tax filer, this is the best way for you to access income tax portal. It will not require you to remember any password or anything. So I hope you like this video and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials in this series where we have given you lots of tutorials on how to navigate through income tax new portal website. Bye for now.